Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. So today I'm making chicken broth. Okay, you can use chicken broth to cook any type of food. You can use it to make soup, cook rice, stew, sauce, porridge, and a lot of them. So here I have the ingredients that I'm going to use to cook the chicken broth. This is easy for you to use it and cook whatever you want to cook. Okay, so here I have the chicken, the parsley leaf, the ginger and garlic, the carrots, celery, and spring onions, then I have here thyme, oregano, cummin, and nekel. Okay, you can see it very well, so you can know what is this nekel. But if you don't have it, you can leave it. Okay, I have salt, 3 cubes of Maggi, chicken bouillon, onions, and pepper. Okay, habanero pepper. So here is rosemary, the fresh one. So let's get started. First, I'm going to add the ginger and garlic, chopped already. The parsley, the spices, oregano, thyme, nekel, the 3 cubes of Maggi, and the chicken bouillon. So I added the carrots, so after the carrots I added the celery, and next is the spring onions. So after the spring onions I will add the onions. Next is the pepper. I also added salt to taste. So after salt, I'm going to add the water that will bring the broth out. Then the final one is the rosemary. Then it's the time to cook. Okay, so I'm going to leave it to cook about 30 minutes because it's a hard chicken. Okay, I didn't use soft chicken, I used the hard one. So you can see the chicken is boiling. the vegetable and the chicken mixed together gives a super taste. So as I said, you can use it to cook anything that you want: rice, soup, porridge, sauce, a lot of them. So after cooking it, I'm going to sieve the water out and keep it in the freezer. So whenever I want to cook anything, I'll bring the broth out and use it to cook it. Okay, so that's how I make my chicken broth for all kind of food that I wanted to cook. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also click on the notification button below so you'll be the first to see my new uploaded video. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe after watching. Subscribe, click the button subscribe.